Hi everyone, I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to join Zoom with your device. You're going to download the app and then you're going to install it. And when you open it, you can see all these different options, but you do not have to sign up, you do not have to sign in. And here you're going to open my email and then you're going to click on the link and it's going to auto open the program. And you will be able to join the meeting. You'll be in the waiting room in the beginning, and then when I let you in as the host, you'll be able to get into the room right there. Now, to listen to audio, you have to click on call using internet audio. That way you can hear what people are saying. If you want to start a video, you can click down there and you can see that you are on the top corner of the video. If you want to stop, you can just click on that to stop it again. To mute yourself, you just click on the bottom left corner. And to see who's part of the participants, you just click on that participant icon and you can see who's there. If you click on more, you can do things like chat in the group, raise your hand. I'm going to show you how to chat a little bit. Hi. Back to the main screen. Again, you're in the top right corner and whoever is going to be talking or the host is going to be in the middle. I'm hosting and I'm also in the room. You can see that right there. And when I stop video, you don't see me in the top right corner anymore. When you're ready to leave, you just click on that leave button on the top and you leave meeting, and that's it. Easy.